Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. Today we've got this 2013 Mini Clubman. It's a 2 litre diesel Bond Street edition with the 6-speed automatic gearbox. It's finished in midnight black with the champagne accents. It's got the roof and the mirrors and the bits on the back. Bond Street is pretty much top spec. Very well spec car and very rare. This one's done 53,000 miles. It's got 7 services with it. It's got DAB radio, the mini boost stereo, parking sensors, and twin spoke wheels. As you can see, it's well, yeah, as close to mint as you'll get for a 10-year-old car. It's very, very nice. Really good on fuel, these. Do like 50, 60 miles per gallon or something daft. Good performance. Inside is immaculate. I love that feature. Not a massive boot on the Clubman, but a good boot nonetheless. You can get the storage space underneath there. The seats do fold flat, so it turns into a bit of a van. And you get the nice little cubby holes in the rear doors. I think they're wicked. We don't sell many minis, but I'm a big fan of the Clubman. Inside it's got the black leather with the champagne piping. Oh, the door's just shut on me there, look. Knocked my camera out of my hand. Get the suicide door as well on the driver's side. It's so cool. Got the ambient lighting pack. I think it's known as the excitement pack, if I'm honest. I don't know for certain. But Isofix in the back. All very, very clean and tidy. 3-spoke steering wheel. You've got heated seats, or as somebody called them the other day, electric bum warmers, climate control, as I say, the boost CD, leather top dash, just Bond Street. Just bear with me while I... Mileage is 53316, and I will start it like this so you can see both gauges and see there are no warning lights. So as you see there, engine light illuminates, goes out, there are no warnings. Car sounds well. It's been sat here actually for quite a while. No rattles from cold, etc. But yeah, got DAB. Not very good with tech, so don't ask me to show you that. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna say that's we'll end the video there before I catch myself playing around with too many more gadgets that I don't know what they're doing it. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.